Hey guys, it's Denise, and I have something exciting to share with you. I've been dreaming up a way to bring more beauty, more confidence, and more good hair energy into everyday life. And it's finally happening. The Good Hair Energy Box is coming. It's a monthly subscription box filled with a full-sized hair product, a travel size must-have that you can either take on a trip or toss in your gym bag, a hair tool or an accessory, and a monthly affirmation sticker to lift your energy and your hair routine. Plus, you're going to get personalized hair care tips on how to use what's in your box from me. And for the first Founders Box, I'm including something special. An exclusive one-time run t-shirt printed with our go-to phrase, know better, do better. Be one of only 100 people to have this tee. Yep, that's right. Only 100 Founders Boxes will be available. If you want early access before I announce it anywhere else, head to denisekailitz.com/waitlist. It only takes a moment to sign up, and you'll be the first in line when the Good Hair Energy Box opens. I can't wait for you to experience this. And remember, when you know better, you do better. Well, hey there, and welcome to Straight from the Stylist Chair. This is a special Q&A series here on All About Hair. I'm your host, Denise Keilitz, and I'm here to answer the real questions clients ask in the salon so you can feel confident and love every visit. Hey there, and welcome to another Straight from the Stylist Chair Q&A, where I can help you feel confident about your hair choices. Today's question is a good one. Can I go from dark to blonde in one visit? I get it. Are you dreaming of going blonde overnight? Let's talk about what's really possible. Okay, so big color transformations, it can really damage your hair if it's done too quickly. So keep that in mind. But I know social media shows instant makeovers, but come on, those are often staged or edited. Real hair has limitations. So here's what you do. Healthy lightening usually happens in stages. We use bond builders, we tone in between, and we adjust expectations to keep your hair strong. It's safer to plan for 2 to 3 sessions if you're going several levels lighter. You still can get to your dream blonde, but with hair that's healthy, shiny, and touchable. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope today's chat helps you walk into your next appointment feeling totally confident. For more tips and stories, keep listening to the full All About Hair podcast and grab the free resource in the show notes. Until next time, I'll save you a seat in the chair. Hey, before we get started with today's episode, did you know I have a YouTube channel? It's full of easy-to-follow videos created not only for hairstylists and salon owners, but also everyday hair lovers who want to understand their hair a little better and feel more confident doing it. From how to find the parietal ridge and use texturizing shears, to what to look for when signing a commercial lease, or how to brand and market your salon, I've got something for anyone who loves hair and our industry. And yes, my brand new foundational haircutting series is live now. So whether you're fresh out of beauty school, mentoring a team, or you're just obsessed with great hair, these videos are here to educate and inspire you. So head over to YouTube, look up All About Hair with Denise, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the thumbs up. That way, you'll be notified when the next video is released. Thanks so much again for being part of this community, and always remember, when you know better, you do better. All right, now let's get into today's episode.